I think grief counseling in schools is a good idea. Um, I also think that children of all ages probably have high levels of grief in today's time from various um, parts of their life. And I also think that kids aren't taught to deal with minor grief as well as they might have been in the past. So I think it's important to look at what is the cause of the grief, how grieved is the child, and how much is it affecting their education, and how much access do they have to um, other sources of grief counseling or a supportive relationship with an adult. Because I think that if we just say we do grief counseling and open the door, we're going to have kids flooding through. So I think it's important to look at like how adaptive they are, if it's really impacting their school, because we obviously know that real grief from even minor trauma can be a big deal for some kids. And if it's going to affect and be all encompassing so that they can't focus on schoolwork, they can't engage in social relationships, they can't succeed in school, then yeah, I think it's even more important and more crucial. But we also have to have awareness of community resources that we could refer families to if it's something that maybe we don't think is appropriate to do in a school setting.